To operate the MudMixer, check the auger covers on both the chute and the hopper for proper installation. Next, ensure the water dial is set to the off position. Connect the water hose and use a grounded 3-prong power cord to safely connect electricity to the unit. Test the water and power by flipping the electrical switch to the forward position and turning the water dial on. Once the test is completed, set the switch and dial to off. To mix the product, place 60 to 80 pounds of dry mix into the hopper. Flip the switch to forward and the water dial on. The proper setting will vary based on the product you're mixing, as well as your local water pressure. Adjust the water as needed to get the proper mixture. A good starting point will be around 30. It will take 8 to 10 seconds to see the results of each water adjustment at the end of the chute. Continue adding dry mix, keeping the hopper 3/4 or more full until you reach the final bag. Delivery of the mixture is simplified by utilizing the swivel feature. Locate the pivot latch pin near the motor at the rear of the unit. Pull up on the latch pin and lock into place above the base of the unit. The chute is now free to swivel from handle to handle. Be sure to lock the chute in place by depressing and locking the pivot latch before lifting and transporting the unit. As the final dry powder leaves the hopper, turn the water dial to the off position. Allow the unit to run for an additional 30 seconds with the water turned off to help remove residual mixture in the chute. Once mixing is complete, turn off and unplug the unit.